Hi there. I'm going to quickly demo the breadcrumbs access button logic for GitLab Duo chat. I'm showing this to you on staging because I have enabled the feature flag that shows the button for my staging user, but this code is also on production. We just haven't enabled the feature flag for any users on production yet. So first of all, Duo chat is still available via the help menu. We didn't touch that logic at all. It remains always there for your users who have AI features enabled via at least one group membership. I assume we will remove this at some point, or we can update the logic to match the button logic so that it only shows in context where you can use Duo chat, but we can discuss that later. That's kind of a separate thing. So just know that the help menu stuff, that remains exactly the same as it is. So first I'm going to show you that the button does not show up in the context where I cannot use AI features. So this is a group that does not have experiment and beta features enabled. So the admin of this group has not enabled this, so they don't want their members opted into using Duo chat features. So I'm not showing the button here. And this is the case on the group itself, on any subgroups, on any projects within those subgroups, any issues. So I don't see the button anywhere. The reason is, let's say I got in here, I have to open the full view. So I can still access GeoChat here. So let's say we did show the button and I could access it and I say like summarize this issue. GeoChat is gonna quickly do a check and then say, this feature is not enabled. So that's kind of a confusing user experience. It's in line with the intentions of the group admin here. They don't want users to be able to use these Duo chat features to ask questions about resources in the group. So we disable it. So we're not showing the button. Now let me show you what it looks like in a group that does have AI features enabled. So this is a project within the GitLab org group where AI features are enabled. I actually don't think I'm an admin here, but they just are. I know that. So the button is shown here, so I can use Duo chat. So that's going to be true when I'm looking at the group, when I'm looking at any test project, or this is a subgroup. This is a project within that group. So the GitLab Duo chat button will always be shown here. And then let me show you how I can ask questions about an issue. So I'm viewing issues within this AI-enabled group. Here's one. Summarize this issue. So it's able to see this issue. So basically now, this logic for the button is that anywhere I see the button, I will be able to ask questions about resources that I am seeing. As you can see right here. Of course, we can't ask questions about all resources. We can only ask questions right now about epics and issues, but as we expand, that will be helpful. And then the other piece here is that because I am a user with GitLab Duo enabled via one group membership, I will also see this button in context outside of groups or projects. For example, on my MR dashboard, I will see this here. So I can say, how do I find issues assigned to me that are closed? So this is a documentation question. Because I have Duo features enabled, I might want to ask that when I'm looking at the dashboard because I'm trying to figure out how to use GitLab. And so we show the button there. In addition, we'll also see this when I'm, for example, like editing my profile. I'll also see it here because there's no like project or group context here. So we do show it. Anyways, so that's all. This, again, this is working. I'm showing you this working on staging. The same code is on production, but this is all behind a feature flag that we have not enabled for anyone. So we can go forward with discussing how we want to roll that out. Thanks.